Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to be discussing user roles and permissions. Now, user roles and permissions are especially important for markets where you have a lot of different moving parts. If you're a small business that's just starting out and you're doing everything on your own, this is not going to be highly beneficial to you, but as soon as you start expanding, you will have to have certain limitations basically on your managers, dispatchers, whoever it is that's going to be doing work for you, so they can have some kind of limit to the back end of the information. So basically how you set this up is you're going to go to users, and when you're creating a new user, let's say it's test manager at nicolards.com. Now we have a couple of different roles here, right? Now customer, driver, and restaurant is going to be excluded from this, and I'll show you later why. But basically, part of your team is going to be either a administrator, CSR, which is customer service representative. Then you have data entry person, designer, you have dispatcher, you have manager, and support, right? So in this case, I just say this is a manager. So we're going to create this user, tester manager, and we're going to put a little password here. All right. So now we have this manager, right? Now, let's say you want to see what access this manager has under his role. You can go to reports, you can go to miscellaneous, and they'll go to page permissions. Now this will pull basically a breakdown of exactly which pages this user has access to. So if we want to go to push notifications, right? I'm going to search, and we can see that push notifications, we have 2 first checked off and then the rest not. So let's just see what does that mean. So that means that super admins and administrators are going to have access to this page, but managers, dispatchers, CSR, data entry, and designer are not going to have it. Now, if this is a manager that you want to have the manager status, but you don't want it to be an administrator, you can actually unlock this page for this specific user. And how we're going to do it is we're going to basically go to permissions here on the left-hand side. We're going to click on that. We're going to type in page notifications because that's what we're looking. Push notifications, that's right. So push notifications, and you can see that in this case, only administrators have access to super admins, and administrators have access to this page. But we want to enable it for the managers, right? You can go ahead and save it. And now our manager user is going to be able to see this. So this is a very useful tool, just so you're safe, so you don't encounter moments where, certain staff that you either let go or they decide to quit, they can't mess with the software or anything like that. Now, this is going to be, you can always revert back on these changes, and you can always go to a specific user and change them from a manager to a customer, which will basically block off any access to your admin backend for them as well. We hope this is helpful. Let us know if you have any questions, and we will see you soon. Bye.